Kaya naman, ang panel, naisipang isabak sa round 2 of auditions ang artists, kung saan hahamunin ang kanilang chemistry na makapares ang kapwa nila auditionee. Pero matapos ang mahabang proseso, ay hirap pa rin magdesisyon ng ating tatlong directs. Ngayon, sabay-sabay nating alamin ano ang magiging kapalaran ng ating auditionees. Sino-sino ang magtatagumpay na makakuha ng isa sa 5 lead characters ng newest Gen Z kada ng bayan. Sina Jigs, Hope, Kokoy, Anya, and Atom. Alamin natin yan dito sa Project Zoomers, the search for the next Gen Z stars. It's a new day, mga ka-Zoomers! Pero ang ating panel, hindi pa rin nalalagpasan ng hamon ng casting. Kaya muli silang nagsama-sama para magbigyan ng hatol ang bawat aspiring artists.
So right now, we're going to call them again to tell them kung anong roles.
I request ko lang sana, Direct Chad, I hope you and Director be open with feedback. It's important for them to improve their craft.
Yeah.
So sana, even before we make any decisions, we also give very constructive feedback and criticism so that they know how to grow. But generally naman, we're all impressed naman with what they've given. You know, there's a road, there's a lot of room for improvement. Pero importante marinig nila sa professionals and how they fare. So I would request them to call them in, to give them general feedback, but we will have to achieve final casting to do.
Para makatulong sa pagdedesisyon, sabay-sabay binalikan ni Direk Lauren, Direk Chad at Direk Peb ang pinagdaan ng auditions ng artists.
Kasi first time natin makikita na
On screen.
naka-edit.
Oo, naka-edit.
So unahin natin itong Jigs and Hope with Harvard this time.
Something has been bugging me, Lori.
What is it?
My boyfriend's hub. Well, pansin ko lang kasi ang dami mong kausap na lalaki.
So, ikaw ba yung sumugot ng tawag ni Thomas kanina?
Yeah.
Kailangan mo yung phone ko.
Ako tatanungin nyo, matching naman sila physically to
Yeah, they look good together.
They can look good together. Problema lang kasi, alam mo talagang si Crystal is really an fight.
Yeah.
Baka mahabol yung capabilities niya kay Harvey. Mapag-iwanan siya. Hindi mag-work yung tandem kasi hindi sila even.
Jigs, kailangan mo yung cellphone ko?
Sorry, I just wanted answers.
Answers? Or judgment? Isa pa lang nalita mo, parang hinusgahan mo ko eh.
Hope hindi.
Hindi ko sila boyfriend. Clients ko sila. Nagtatrabaho ko bilang online girlfriend for hire.
There's a possibility for them. I just feel very explicit performance. Everything is too acted out from their eyes to the
Very afternoon talaga.
which is not necessarily bad.
Yeah, it depends on the genre, but that's our genre, right?
But we want this to be more
Yeah,
Ay, ako na lang po kaya mag-audition. Char lang po.
But the kids energy-wise, they have the potential na we can tweak mas madali yung
pagbawas
kesa mag-delcad niya.
Sunod na magsimulit ng mga directs ang mga batuhan ng linya ng mga artists sa mga role na Atom at isa pang karakter sa Zoomers na si Dino.
The way you're acting right now, it's not like the Dino na kilala.
Atom, di mo ba talaga ako naalala?
Well,
Papaalala ko sa'yo. St. Patrick's Academy 2015.
Sa mga nakita for magaling ko makeup, she understands right away na the essence of the scene is about meron lang tayo sa lumalaylay ka.
Ipapaalala ko sa'yo. St. Patrick Academy 2015. O ano? Naalala mo? Ako yung kaibigan mo nung grade school. Nabinuli mo!
Okay, yes, yes, yes. Yung mga maganda yan sa akin.
I like the quiver kasi voluntary. So yung mga ganun hindi ganun pinaplano. Nararamdaman mo lang talaga si
His eyes more than that. Sa eyes says talaga.
Ano na tayo?
Marunong.
I mean, yung ganito, paano na ba yung mga nangyayari sa mga ganito?
Hindi ako engaged. Walang bahay.
Matapos suyuri ng ating panel ang bawat performances ay dumating na ang oras na muli nilang kakausapin ang aspiring artists. Maliban na lang kay Noel na hindi na nakasama dahil sa kanyang obligasyon sa school.
Thank you and congratulations. I know what you're asking you to go through is not easy, pero dahil resilient naman kayo at malakas ang loob nyo, this is really part of your training and your growth with us in Starlight.
I was very optimistic. Usually, callback means it's a good thing. Namagan ka, you're interested. Kaya see what else you can do.
It's been like a roller coaster kasi I didn't know what to expect.
First na mangyayari is I'd like our two directors here to give an honest opinion on yung past casting day para lang alam nyo how to improve. Absorb everything that you think will help you grow as an artist. Kasama nyo naman kami sa journey na yan. So we'll start with Miss Kurosawa.
Honestly, I'm not the person who expects nothing talaga. I just like to live in the moment.
Turkey, I was really impressed with your auditions. Halata yung may experience ka na in acting. Siguro ang advice ko lang sa'yo, pwede pong gawing mas yung tatawag na being, no acting. Kasi nahalata ko pa yung units. Minsan pag hindi mo iniisip yung uma-acting ka, just be the character. Mas lalo kong nararamdaman.
I knew I had fun in first audition, so I expected today will just be a lot of learning.
Crystal Ball.
One of the issues with us talaga mainly was your voice and your accent.
Hindi naman ko priority, pero minsan makakrush ako.
Kaya, binigyan ka namin ng room to play. Kaya, hindi, sabihin mo in your own language kung ano yung natural sa'yo. But you didn't do it. Doon lang kami na sayang, hindi niya pa rin